Alright guys, another successful night. Although when we walked out the front door of my house, I didn't figure it was going to be. We got probably what, 3/4 of an inch to an inch of snow in a short amount of time. We did 5 stands. First stand we didn't hear anything. Second stand, the big male came out really close. We finally got it to stop about 200 yards.
Like hard left?
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's a coyote right in front of us, Cody. Get on it. Yep.
Left. We did not realize we were going to be hunting in a snowstorm. But we're here, so we're going to make the best of it.
We made the best of it.
See what we got. Big old male. Oh my.
Bruiser.
Now listen, if you're dragging dogs by hand, you need to get one of these. It's a pocket drag. This thing is probably, how long have we been doing this? 5 years?
Yeah.
So this I think is probably 4 years old, and we use it all the time. It's got the wire that goes around. It's got the nice handle. Randy Webb pocket drag. Perfect for what we're about to be doing. Up in the kill rack. Went to the next spot, didn't hear anything. Next spot after that, this female came in within, what, 2 minutes?
Just shy of 2 minutes.
Dakota made a shot on that, hit it right in the chest, dropped it. Well, Cody just smacked this one. Had a little wardrobe malfunction with his scope.
Of course, the recoil activated video did not work. I had my settings all goobered up, so we'll work on that next time.
Other than that, with the conditions that we've had, it's a pretty successful night. We just stopped here and there was a pack going nuts back this way, but I feel like we drove right past them and screwed that up, so it is what it is. But it's what, number 4?
Yeah.
4 on the year so far. We've been out a handful of times, so I'm soaking wet, he's soaking wet, they're soaking wet.
Yep, 4.
I'm ready to go home.
Same.